Neerja Bhanon, an air hostess on Pan Am Flight 73, tragically died on September 5, 1986 during a hijacking. The flight, en route from Mumbai to New York with 379 people on board, was taken over by four armed terrorists in Karachi, Pakistan. Neerja displayed extraordinary bravery by hiding the American passengers' passports to prevent their identification and attempted to calm the passengers. When the opportunity arose, she opened the emergency door and helped evacuate the passengers despite the terrorist firing. Although over 100 people were injured and 18 to 19 people died, approximately 360 passengers survived. Neerja was posthumously awarded the Ashok Chakra for her courage, becoming the youngest woman to receive the honor. The American media honored her as the heroine of hijack for her heroism. On September 5, 2019, 73-year-old Amramati Mangamma from Guntur, Andhra Pradesh, set a world record as the oldest mother by giving birth to twin girls. Married to Raja Rao since 1962, Mangamma had struggled with infertility for many years. She achieved motherhood through in vitro fertilization (IVF) with a team of doctors ensuring her pregnancy was safe and providing counseling to keep the couple mentally calm. Mangamma's successful delivery attracted a global media attention, surpassing the previous record held by Daljinder Kaur of Rajasthan, who had given birth at the age of 70 on April 19, 2016. Sharad Joshi, a renowned Indian writer, satirist and playwright, passed away on September 5, 1991. Born on May 21, 1931 in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, Joshi elevated the genre of satire in Hindi literature with his simple, spontaneous and impactful writing. His satirical works offered a candid critique on societal issues, political corruption and human behavior. Joshi was a prolific writer for magazines and newspapers and also contributed to television series and films, including the popular Doordarshan shows Vikram Aur Betal and Ye Jo Hai Zindagi. His literary contributions have secured a unique place for him in Hindi satire, and his works remain relevant and influential even today. On September 5, 1972, the Munich massacre occurred during the Olympic Games in Munich, Germany. Members of the Palestinian terrorist group Black September attacked the Israeli team in Olympic Village, taking 11 players hostage. They demanded the release of 234 Palestinian prisoners held in Israeli jails. 2 Israeli players were killed immediately and the remaining 9 were taken hostage. Despite a rescue operation launched by German officials, the attempt failed and the terrorists killed the hostages. 5 terrorists were killed in a confrontation with German security forces, while 3 were arrested. In total, 11 Israeli players and 1 German policeman lost their lives. The Olympic Games were suspended for a day in tribute to the victims. This incident remains the most tragic in Olympic history.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
Mother Teresa, a renowned Catholic nun, passed away on September 5, 1997. Born on August 26, 1910 in Macedonia, she moved to India in 1929 and established the Missionaries of Charity in Calcutta in 1950. For her humanitarian work, she was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize on October 17, 1979 and received India's Padma Shri Award in 1962 and Bharat Ratna in 1980. Despite her global acclaim, her organization faced accusations of child trafficking and forced conversions. Some critics argue that her primary aim in India was to propagate Christianity and that she supported the emergency imposed by Indira Gandhi's government, remarking that people were happy with it due to the increased employment and reduced strikes. Teachers' Day is celebrated in India on September 5, marking the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a former president of India and esteemed educationist born on September 5, 1888. Dr. Radhakrishnan dedicated 40 years to teaching, and in 1962, when his students suggested celebrating his birthday, he requested that the day be observed as Teachers' Day instead. Since then, September 5 has been dedicated to honoring teachers. On this day, schools, colleges, and educational institutions across India celebrate by recognizing teachers' contribution and organizing various programs to express gratitude.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.